Focus, focus. Hey guys! So I'm back from a long hiatus. I think the last video that I filmed was the What I Wish I Knew About College video, which I filmed last year during my freshman year, and as you can probably guess, I am currently a sophomore. It's been a year since I filmed the last video and I haven't really been back. So I figured, you know, 2018, new year, new me, I'm in a different setting, I'm in a different residence hall, so I figured I would pick up where I left off. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I work with a company called Influenster and they send me free products for my reviews on those products. And so they come in these boxes called Voxboxes, and whenever you qualify for a Voxbox, you get super excited, or at least I know I do. And I've gotten two this past semester, so I figured I could sit down and finally unbox them for you guys to see my reaction, to see what products that I got and what I think about them. So let's get into it. So the first box that I have is from Flower, I think it's like Flower Beauty. I know that it is a line that's created by Drew Barrymore, and I believe it's sold in Walmart, but I've never tried their products. I've heard such good things about them, about how good the quality is for the price, especially because it is a drugstore brand. So I'm really excited to unbox this because I want to know what's in here. So this is what it looks like. It honestly looks like a shoebox because there's like a lot of tissue paper in here. The first thing that I see is this little postcard, I guess you can say. It just says, it's here, Flower Fall Collection 2017. I am a little late, guys. Unstoppably bold statement making lips, seriously shiny, high impact eyes, and your new must-have Korean sheet mask. Created from the mind of Drew Barrymore, curated for you, because nothing empowers women more than feeling great in their own skin. That is adorable. The first thing that I see after that is the sheet mask. So this is the sheet mask. It is the Flower Black Caviar Power Up Sheet Mask. It says it's the revitalizing sheet mask. It's energizing and has a smoothing effect, and it's made in Korea, so I'm excited. I think honestly, I think everything skincare related made in Korea, I trust, because it's never, they've always been quality products. So, well, I'm really excited to try this because if you know me, you know that I love sheet masks. For me, when my skin feels like it needs a little moisture, a sheet mask is what I go to. So they're also they're not pricey, but since it is you know, you use it once and then you have to toss it, so even if it's $2, it's not that expensive, but they can really add up if you're using sheet masks I don't know, about 2 to 3 times a month like I am. So I'm excited to try out this product. Really interested in how it works. I also see this Mix and Matte Lip Duo. It looks like it is a pink shade. It says that there is a matte lipstick on one end and a matching pearlized gloss on the other end. So, and the shade is called Tickled Pink. So I'm interested in this. I'm gonna open this and hopefully swatch it for you guys. So it says Flower on one end and then Mix and Matte Lip Duo on the other. So whoa, okay. So it is it's a pink, but I would say it's more like a mauvey pink color. Okay, and on the other end there is the Tickled Pink lip gloss, which just kind of screws open like this. Interesting. The applicator looks like any other applicator. It's very small, which I don't know if I like. I know I can reach the corners of my mouth with this, but I also like a really big doe applicator just because it's so easy to put on, especially since it's a gloss. But I can see why they would say it's matching. I don't think it's really matching because I think the gloss is very it's very pearlized, so it's almost like a silvery pink, which is very interesting. I've never tried this type of color before, and I don't know if I love that. I will use this lipstick, I know that for sure. I think it's a really pretty like mauve color, and I love that, but I don't know about the gloss, so I will let you guys decide. So I think it's a really interesting product. I really like that there are two ends, and it kind of gives you flexibility. So if you were to toss it in your purse and you wanted to change up your lip throughout the day, for example, I think this would be a really good product for you. I don't necessarily love this gloss shade. I think it just doesn't look, I don't know. I think it's pretty, but I'm not a huge fan of like this kind of pearlized finish to it. But I do love the lipstick, so I'm glad that I got that. Okay, so the next thing that I see in this is this like liquid lipstick, it looks like. I think it's a liquid. Yeah, okay. So it is called the Miracle Matte Lip, and I really like this packaging. So it has flower on it, and it looks like a red orange kind of color. When I was younger, I was obsessed with like a really fiery red orange kind of lip, but since then all of my red lipsticks right now are like a, you know, more of like a brick red, like a blue toned red, and this one looks like, from just the packaging alone, looks like it's a red orange, like a true red orange. It's definitely mattifying. I can feel it mattifying like on my hand. But it's like very creamy. It's not too drying, which is a problem with most matte lipsticks that I've tried before. But this seems like it's very creamy, yet I can see that it's mattifying like as it's drying on my hand. And it is a true red orange. So if you are really into a red orange, I would definitely try the shade, which this shade is called Crimson Touch. I think that it does suit my skin well, so I definitely see myself wearing this, but I have been sticking with blue toned reds for a while because I like my teeth looking nice and white, and I don't know, but I think this is going to be really interesting to try, and I think I might actually really grow to really love this color because it's so bright, and I feel like on a day when you really just want to, you know, like pop a little bit, I think this is going to be a really good shade. The final product that I see in here is this eyeliner. So it's the Flower Glossy Gel Eyeliner in Galaxy. Interesting name. It looks like it's just black though. When I think of Galaxy, I think of like purple, blue, but this is black, and it's the Longwear Gel Formula. So the packaging looks like this, which I think is very standard for a drugstore product. I really think that this is like very standard compared to like Maybelline. Yeah, it's definitely, it's like a kind of like a round, it's more of a round tip than it is like sharp. So I definitely would never use this to make like a cat eye or something because I think this is not the right product for that. But I do like a more like a smokier eye, and I think this would be really good for it. I have never tried a glossy eyeliner. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but in this there are little like glitter particles in it, and I don't think it catches on camera when I showed you on my arm, but it's like a little glittery, which is really interesting. I don't know if I want that in an eyeliner. I really like a matte eye, but it is really pigmented and it does smudge well, which means I can do like a smoky eye. I'm a little worried about transfer, so I would say this is probably going to be a no for me. I might keep it in case, you know, I need like a smokier eye and I really need a gel liner, or if like my liner runs out or something, but don't think this is going to be the product that I'm going to use just because of the glitter. So that's it for my Flower Voxbox. The next Voxbox I have is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive. I think it's pronounced Elvive, isn't it? Because like revival. Anyway, so it just looks like this. It got a little damaged in the mail, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely a little roughed up. It is literally 80% tissue paper But I do see this little postcard that was kind of included in the flower Voxbox too. It says, the new Elvive Revive damaged hair. It is a rinse out hair mask, and it deeply conditions and recharges the hair fiber to fight the 5 signs of damage. It says to apply the balm to wet hair and massage through to ends. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. And for continuous visible repair, use every day. I'm not gonna lie, that's a really big commitment, because when I shower, I don't always use conditioner. I use conditioner maybe like every other shower, and I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that I'm a college student. I'm on the go, I'm always busy, I don't have the time to condition my hair and leave, you know, a hair mask on for 5 minutes. But you know, it's really cute. It looks like a really cute product. So it is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive, as I said, I think like a million times already. It has almond and protein and ceramide, which apparently is supposed to fix damaged hair. So yeah, so this is the product, and I think it's really cute packaging. I really like just how clean this packaging is. When I smell it, because I always want to do a smell test. It smells like a hair salon, and I know that's not at all a helpful comment, but it really does. It smells like a hair salon, so it does smell really good. And when I shake this, it does not budge, and it's definitely very viscous. I think that hair mask consistencies really vary, and sometimes they're more of like a liquid consistency. Not liquid, but like more liquid than others, and sometimes it's like completely viscous, and I think this is the case with this one, because it honestly looks like a body butter. Like I could see this being a body butter. That's how thick it is. So I'm interested in trying this on my hair, and I will let you guys know what I think. So yeah, so that was it, guys. I really hope that you liked my unboxing, and that maybe you found some new products that you wanted to test out. I know that I'll try to keep you guys updated on what I think about these new products. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!